Hello party people, it is craft time right now. It's nap time, which means I have a little bit of time to myself. What do you guys do when you get a minute to yourself? In my case today, we're gonna do some crafts that I've been hoarding for like a while. Some of them are fall themed and some of them are just fun. So hopefully they're quick and easy, which is my kind of craft. The first craft I wanna make with you is a fall wreath. I am making this out of all dollar store products, so it's very inexpensive to make, but it looks really cute. The second thing I want to make with you is this really trendy-ish, like marble tray. You can use this as a cheese tray for Thanksgiving or if you have get-togethers, whatever. The third thing is a welcome sign. I have seen these in the store for upwards of $50, $60, and I'm making mine on the cheap, and I'll share with you my secrets. And the very last thing is just a canvas for my son's bedroom. And I found something similar on, I think, Crate and Barrel for $160, but I'm making it for less than $5. It's crazy. So I'm gonna share with you all the details. Here we go. So first, let me share with you everything that you're going to need. Obviously not a cell phone. Okay, this is for the marble tray. So I just picked up a tray, not a tray, a tile from Lowe's. This is just like a wood tile. This thing was like less than $2, okay, but it's beautiful. I got some felt feet from the dollar store. All of these were $1. How many are in here? Wait, there's 60. Well, you can't beat that for $1. I do not have E6000 glue. If you do, use that, but I found this at the Dollar Tree because I was there. It is a fix-all adhesive. Apparently you can use it on metal, so we're gonna try that out. And then I got a couple of handles from Lowe's as well, and these were on clearance for like $1.25 each. Crazy, right? You can buy these trays at Target. They sell for like $30. It's insane how expensive they are and how cheap and easy they are to make. Moving on to everything that I bought for the wreath. I just got one of these wreaths. I was going to get like a green foam one and then wrap it in a bunch of ribbon. I think I would need at least 2 spools of ribbon, but then I thought, I kind of like the neutral tone of this. I got 2 little sprigs of, I don't know, that's a sunflower and just some fall colors. I don't know. I'm bad at picking out flowers and I thought those were cute. And then some ribbon to make a bow. And then I saw these signs. There's 3 in here. I think once, oh, here they are. Thankful Harvest and Welcome is what they say. And they're that like galvanized metal. I thought that was really cute and trendy. And then I just picked up a wreath holder. I wish that I could have found a different color. I actually found this in the holiday section already, like Christmas section, but this color will do. I think it ties well. Okay, in this craft, I picked up a canvas from Michael's. It was 70% off this particular day, so it was like just a little over $3 for this 12 by 24 inch canvas. That's the same size they had on Crate and Barrel for $160. It's still blowing my mind. And I picked these guys up, very similar to what Crate and Barrel had to offer, for $1 from, guess where? You guessed it, the Dollar Tree. Unbelievable, right? Look how cute these are. And on the back, so I think it'll really fill up the space. Okay, and for the sign, I got this from Lowe's. It is, oh, I wish I remember how big it is. It is 0.75 by 11.25 by 4. So 4 by 11, I guess. But there it is, kid not included. And this thing was like $6 or $8, somewhere around there. Definitely not more than 10. And I think it's gonna be great. I'm not sure what I'm gonna write on it yet, but I'm going to, oh, by the way, he is not napping anymore. Clearly. I'm gonna get on my computer and print out whatever I want it to say, either give thanks or welcome, or I want one side to maybe be just generic, like welcome, and then the other side to maybe say something Christmassy, but I think I'm only gonna do one side today, okay? Just slow down.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the I and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the
I'll probably break free. I could have my way, and I could let it be. I could do what I want, but it's just an illusion, illusion. Yeah, I sometimes feel like I can grow up. I'm drinking beer right out my coffee cup. I wanna do what I want, it's just an illusion, illusion. Try to come around, but I know it's gonna take a while. So what? I wanna hang with my friends. So what? I wanna go out again. So what? I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show 'cause it's all that I know. It goes like we're singing. I guess it's been a while since I was told last. I can be like this and I can be like that. I guess my time's run out.
Alright guys, time got away from me today. I did not get a chance to do my outdoor wood sign. I plan to do that maybe in an upcoming vlog, maybe next week or something. Maybe Christmas time, who knows. But thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and let me show you the marble tray. Instead of using it for cheese, because you know how I feel about cheese, I'm just putting all my crap on it for now. I don't know, I kind of like it. I have been using a really old Melissa and Doug like magnet box, and I just, that looks better. So that's what I'm gonna use from now on. But thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out and crafting with me. Oh, nap time is never long enough, am I right? But I will see you next time, guys. Bye.
But I know it's gonna take a while. So what? I wanna hang with my friends. So what? I wanna go out again. So what? I wanna ride